We are happy to bring our new service, this Resilience OPD, to you. This is a complimentary service being provided by us. Day would be fixed and you will have to seek prior appointment with us. We will request you to share your reports in advance to us, and if you would have any concerns about confidentiality, we will be happy to sign an NDA also. And if you would say, Aman, we do not have a report, anyway, fix the appointment, meet us, spend time with us, we'll still be able to run some diagnostics for you and hopefully provide some improvement suggestions to you. Your reports, submitted reports, will be studied by our consultant in advance. The day you come in, the Resilience OPD will be online, either a Zoom session or a Microsoft Teams session based on your preference. Our consultant will be available to you to have any discussions. 30 minutes time will be available to you. We hope that we'll be able to provide you improvements immediately, suggest some improvements immediately. This may lead to or may need to have further investigations, which would mean more documents to be studied in detail. We hope many recommendations would come out of that study. This exercise coming to the OPD is good for your self-assessment claims, also good for your continual improvement journey in your resilience program. This will also help you to do benchmarking with others, and also will help you to create your own case studies for internal or external usage. I go up to an extent to say that you have done good. If you have done good, then claim that you have done good. And claim here means communicate. Both internal as well as external interested parties need to be taken care of in your communication. Key focus area during this study within this Resilience OPD service will be BCM, either around ISO 22301 or around NCMA 7000, risk management, which will be around ISO 31000, and crisis management, which will be around BS 11200. Three more areas can be covered, namely IT disaster recovery, information security, and cyber security, but for which you will have to make a special request and we will be able to arrange a specialist separately for you. The study, the OPD, will be run by two of us, Dheeraj and myself, together over 70 years in the industry, out of which over 35 years are in the resilience domains like BCM, crisis management, risk management, etc. Along with all the experience that we have got will be available to you during these discussions. And that experience involves training thousands and thousands of professionals across countries, companies, different sectors. Number of successful implementations, starting from BS 25999 long ago to ISO 22301 and to NCMA 7000. Along with experience of running testing services, assessments, and audits, all put together, this experience will be available to you during this study. If you have any questions about this service, Resilience OPD, please feel free to write to us at this ID, info@continuityandresilience.com, and we'll be happy to get back to you. Thank you.